हमारे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारे खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर अमित अलेक्जेंडर चरण सर।
नमस्कार
सर, आपके संस्थान का क्या नाम है?
स्कूल का नाम है हार्वर्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल।
सर, ये जगह क्या लगती है, लोकेशन?
हार्वर्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल इज लोकेटेड एट हरदुआ, नवाबगंज, बरेली।
सर, आपका स्कूल किस वर्ष में स्थापित हुआ था?
दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट ईयर। द स्कूल हैज बीन स्टार्टेड इन 2003-2004 सेशन।
सर, ये किस क्लास तक है?
राइट नाउ द स्कूल इज फ्रॉम प्ले ग्रुप टिल क्लास 8th।
सर, आप अपना कुछ परिचय दीजिए हमें।
Okay. I am Dr. Amit Alexander Charan, and I am working as the principal of the school, and I am doctorate in biotechnology and having experience in the field for the last 15 years.
सर, आपकी संस्थान का मिशन क्या है?
The mission of the school, or the motto of the school, is Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay, which is a Sanskrit shlok which means lead us from darkness to light. And I believe education can lead us from darkness towards light.
सर, फैसिलिटीज़ क्या क्या ऑफर्ड हैं आपके यहाँ पे?
We have computer lab, we have science lab, we have games for students, indoor and outdoor games, sports field, and various other activities are planned for the students.
सर, स्पोर्ट्स में क्या क्या होता है?
In sports, students play cricket. They play indoor games like chess, carom, table tennis, and football as an outdoor game, and so many other activities like kho-kho and badminton and several other things.
सर, स्कूल रिजल्ट्स और अवार्ड्स कोई मिला हो अभी?
No, this is the first session of the school, but one of our student who is in class 2nd, Ehsan Zaidi, she has received one district level award in Taekwondo championship, which was given by our honorable mayor of Bareilly, Dr. Umesh Gautam ji.
सर, ट्रांसपोर्ट स्कूल की है कि बाहर से हैं?
Yes, the school have transport vehicles, and they bring our students from various locations of Nawabganj and nearby villages, and almost 90% of the students of the school, they come by vehicles.
सर, आप अपने कैंपस को पॉजिटिव कैसे रखते हैं?
Positive attitude is being delivered first of all by me. I try to make that my teachers comfortable in the school, plus I try to deal the problems of the students in a very positive way, and especially the parents, so that the positive environment can be created in the school. And I do not believe in putting every time pressure on the teacher and the student. I believe in a very positive education to be delivered with the students by the teachers.
सर, आप टफ पेरेंट्स को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
Yes, definitely there are many tough parents which I deal. And a very simple thing which I would like to share: when any tough parent or any parent who does not want to listen, I try to counsel them. First of all, I am a good listener. I listen their problem. I listen what they are going through, and then I try to counsel them. I try to talk to them, and as a result, almost 100% of my these counseling sessions have been positive. And parents, they come up with their problems, but when they leave my office, they leave their problems over here and they leave freely.
सर, किसी भी स्कूल को रन करने में फैकल्टी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है।
Yes.
तो सर, आपकी जो फैकल्टी है उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए।
Yes. As our school is located in the premises of Nawabganj, and all our faculty, they are from they have their education background from very good reputed schools of Bareilly. Like we have faculty from Army Public School, we have faculty from Hartman, and we have faculty from Mother House India, and myself, I am a product of Bishop Conrad School. So the faculty over here in the school, we have screened the faculty with several interviews, and the faculty which we have the best faculty in the region of Nawabganj.
सर, रोल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट फॉर अ बेटर स्कूल, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Definitely, see, management always have a very positive effect on running the school, and the owners of the school, they both are doctors in their respective field. Dr. Dinesh Gangwarji, who is an orthopedician, plus he is an CMO of working as a CMO of District Hospital Bareilly. Secondly, the director of the school, Dr. Archana Gangwar Madam, she is a gynecologist, and she is both of them, they are running a hospital in Nawabganj. And if the management, they are literate, they are sound, and they are hearing your problem and they are giving good results, better suggestions, so it is always positive to run a school in a better way.
सर, कोई यूनिक क्लासरूम या एक्टिविटी रूम बच्चों के लिए
Yes,
हो?
we have activity room in our school, and the projector and other facilities is there over there, and air conditioned room we have, and students, they go for activity in that room, they enjoy music and dance classes and other sort of activities.
सर, कोई ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी या एनुअल डे वगैरह होता हो?
Yes, we are planning to have our Founders Day, our annual function in next month, in the month of October, and we are preparing for it. Students are preparing, teachers are preparing, I'm giving them the guidelines, and we believe we will have a very nice Founders Day annual function program.
सर, आजकल कंप्यूटर बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Yes, the computer education is very important, it's very relevant, and we are teaching computer science from since class 1, and it goes till class 8. Right now we are till class 8, and as we progress, the computer science will go up to class 12. Definitely it's a very important subject.
सर, इस संस्थान के बारे में 3 सबसे अच्छी बातें क्या हैं जो इसे अन्य संस्थानों से अलग बनाती हैं?
Yes, 3 things which makes a difference with other institutes is that first, we have very promising faculty. The faculty is excellent, which is one of the best, not one of the best, but the best in Nawabganj. Secondly, the student-teacher ratio of the class, I have kept it in a way that all the students can be seen by the teacher. Third, digitally the school is very sound. We cater our students not only through manual or books and copies way, but we also cater them through digital way.
सर, आप कोई मैसेज देना चाह रहे हो बच्चों को या उनके पेरेंट्स को?
Yes, the message which I would like to give to parents and to the students, that Harvard International School is going through a very nice phase. This is the first year of the school, and we believe there are many glorious years which are coming ahead of us, and very soon we are going to start Harvard International Sports Academy. That will be the first sports academy in the area of Nawabganj. However, very few schools in Bareilly, they have a sports academy, but very soon we will have our own sports academy where you will find shooting range and many other activities related with sports and athletics over there. And Harvard International School promises to give you a better education, and definitely we are here to shape your future.
सर, आप इतने फिट हैं, तो आप अपने आप को स्ट्रेस से कैसे दूर रखते हैं?
I am a man who lives a life, who enjoys life. I enjoy my life with my profession. I enjoy my life with my students, with my fellow beings, with my teachers. I am filled with positive energy, and I am here to transmit that positive energy with my students, parents, and teachers, so that effectively the school can be functioned.
सर, बरेली एजुकेशन न्यूज़ को कवर करने के लिए धन्यवाद।